Welcome to our channel! Today, we will take you deep into the complete manufacturing process of PCBs from design to production to assembly. Let you have a deeper understanding of the circuit board manufacturing process. The first is the PCB design. At present, a variety of design software is available on the market. First of all, it is necessary to draw a schematic diagram that meets the requirements in the software. After ensuring that the circuit arrangement can work properly, convert the wiring diagram to a Gerber file. You can see here that each layer represents something different. The following problems may occur after the Gerber data is handed over to the engineer. So it's important to include these things in your Gerber file. Next comes the production phase. First of all, we need to rationally plan the layout according to Gerber file and cut the copper-clad plate to a suitable size. Multi-layer boards should be pressed by this process. Drilling is divided into two ways: mechanical drilling and laser drilling. In this way, the conduction function can be realized. Copper sedimentation can make the whole wall conductive and complete the interconnection between lines. The laboratory mainly performs a variety of analyses and tests. This step can enhance electrical connections and signal transmission. Next, reserve the required lines needed for the board. Through AOI inspection, ensure product and Gerber file consistency. It can avoid electrical interference and ensure PCBs reliability. Solder mask is a non-conductive coating used to protect copper alignments on PCB. Printed characters can help with the placement of subsequent components. The surface treatment prevents oxidation of the copper pads or conductors, these extending their service life. It is suitable for PCB segmentation with stamp hole connections and irregularities. Every PCB goes through strict quality inspection before leaving the factory. The fixture generally used for large batch. Flying probe is mostly used for sample and small batch testing. Need to ensure that the finished product meets all specifications before shipment. It is usually vacuum packed with humidity card and desiccant. This method ensures safe transportation and is aesthetically pleasing and easy to inspect by touch. Next, it's PCB assembly workshop. There will be an independent stencils and component warehouse. This machine can count the number of components within 3S and can replace at least 10 workers. Solder paste can paste components on the surface of the board. SPI detects the solder paste condition. The machine will mount components automatically. The components are reflow soldered after installation. IPQC and AO, I can determine whether the product meets the processing standards. Some through-hole components may require manual insertion. Then we need to do another wave soldering. X-ray detection of individual solder joints provides a double guarantee for the quality of the finished product. Conformal coating can achieve the effect of moisture and insulation. Of course, you can choose the epoxy filling process. Functional testing is a necessary step to ensure the normal use of the finished product. Finally, artificial appearance inspection is required. Packaging is generally customized independent packaging to avoid damage during transportation. The above is the complete process of PCB design and manufacturing. Hope it can help you. If you are interested in our PCB services, please visit our website for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news.